Which is the only one that cannot roar in the spotted cats? Tiger, lion, jaguar, leopard. Snow leopard are belong to genus Panthera. They are Panthera tigris, tiger. Panthera leo, lion. Panthera pardus, cheetah. Panthera uncia, snow leopard. Panthera onca, jaguar. This is a lion. You already know that it can roar. Jaguar can roar. Now it's turn to cheetah. Tigers can roar. Hear the grunting sound. But the snow leopard is the only one that cannot roar in this genus Panthera. The primary reason for this was the incomplete ossification of the hyoid bone. Hyoid bone, especially in the larynx.